everyone, it's me, Cora. I got a box from my editor at my publisher today. As a lot of you all know, I have a book coming out this August, and I haven't actually yet seen the final version of it. I finished it all last year, and since then I've just been kind of doing my own thing, and I haven't yet seen a final copy, and I think that's what this is. And I'm at Janelle right now, just finishing up an event for National Lingerie Day, but I didn't want to open it before I got here because I'm pretty sure that if it is my book, that I'm going to have some emotions. So I am going to open it now, and we'll see what it is. My heart's beating like super fast right now. Let's see. Oh my god! There's like a handwritten note on it, and my editor is so sweet, she like wrapped it up. Let me see, the note says, I am so thrilled to be sending you the very first advance copy of your book. We at 10 Speed couldn't be more thrilled about how it turned out and hope you will be too. It is a true stunner and such a beautifully and thoughtfully written, not to mention useful book. I am so proud of you and of this book, and so honored to have worked with you on it. Cheers to you and the future success of An Intimate Detail. And then there's a PS. Oh, that it's hand bound, so that's all. I don't care. So this is my first time. This is why I didn't open it before I came here, because this is the whole year of my life. And it's so pretty. It has like a little bookmark. It has the back cover. I used to think that I wasn't an emotional kind of person, and it turns out I'm definitely like super emotional. And this book taught me that. So all the things you learn from writing a book, you learn about yourself. And I'm so happy with this, and I cannot wait to share it with you all. This box. You want to look at it?